currently we are taking. Oh dang! That's good. I'm not speeding, man. That was a.
Do you understand the words that are coming out of my mouth?
I just seen Durango CHP, the newer ones, the gray ones. It didn't even have a logo. Damn. Is that a sign? No pulls. I didn't record the process, totally forgot. But we're removing the headlights because these are all junk already. Old school HID lights. So we have the headlights here. We already installed the LED lights in there. Super easy to come off. Thought it was gonna be difficult, but nah. You have to remove also the bumper guard because it comes with the whole trim piece on the bottom that you add on the headlight. So here's the old headlights. So we got everything installed now. Headlights, highlights. Ended up taking all this off. Old school setup right there. That Toretto and Brian O'Connor.
Hey man, you know this is bullshit.
Super bright. Nice.